By far the worst idea we've ever had. Oh my god.
You know, these are actually really hot. It hurts so bad. Ew, it's so... Oh my god.
Oh god, I'm about to puke.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
It came up a bit.
Oh god, please.
Oh, there's some chunks in here.
Jacob, we should probably move over. I'm about to like frantic puke.
Oh god.
Jump over here. I'm a shit.
Next to the toilet.
Oh my stomach's killing me.
Don't make me laugh.
It hurts.
Punch it. Just kidding. Projectile vomit to your face. I puked in my erect.
Okay, please don't do this at all, guys. You'll don't. I want to get flagged.
Literally, we all got 4 Skittles, and we're all about to throw up.
I
4 Skittles. Oh god, my spit is so...
You know what's funny?
Oh god.
Did you make this one, Jacob? Jacob.
Oh. All right.
Guys, my spit is really sticky.
All right, guys.
Look at this.
Okay, guys. Unanimum here with the Zequivix and CP's gamer. We're about to go die. We're gonna go die really quick, and I love you guys. Thanks for the subscribers,
Watch my spit.
and goodbye.